guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 perfume hacks that every person needs to know about. The first hack is about extending the lifespan of your perfume and making it smell just as strong as it always was. You know how over time the intensity of the fragrance in your perfume reduces and it keeps becoming milder and milder? Well, that's because you're storing it in the wrong way. Heat, light and humidity can all break down the perfume, so you want to keep it away from all of that and store it in a dark, dry and cool place. So instead of keeping your perfume in the bathroom where it's all moist all the time, I recommend storing the perfume either in the refrigerator or in a wardrobe that is completely shut or in your vanity that is completely dark. Just make sure to keep it away from sunlight. The second hack is to target your pulse points or the warmer areas of your body. For example, the inside of your wrist is warmer than the rest of your body. If you touch the outside of your wrist, it's going to be a lot cooler, but the inside is going to be a lot warmer because this is where the veins are closest to the skin. So when you spray the perfume directly on pulse points or warmer areas, the fragrance retains on your skin for a longer time because the alcohol in the perfume evaporates faster and it retains the fragrance onto your skin for a longer time. So the major pulse points on your body are the inside of your wrists, the inside of your elbows, your neck, your chest area, behind your knees, calves and ankles. So you want to majorly spray your perfume on these pulse points, and that way the fragrance is going to last longer on your body. Then again, if you're using a perfume like this is NEUD Grasse Pink EDP. Then this is one of its kind because this smells different on every single person. It kind of mixes up with the natural odor of your body, with the natural smell of your body, and changes its fragrance. So if you spray this on yourself, it's going to smell differently. If you spray this on your partner or anyone else from your family or friends, it's going to smell differently. It smells different on every single person. So that way you have your own signature scent, and it's never going to be the same. You're never going to smell the same fragrance on anyone else, which is the best part about this. Then again, if you're spraying the perfume on the inside of your wrist, make sure that you spray it and just leave it on. If you end up rubbing it, then that's going to make the fragrance disappear faster. The third hack to increase the longevity of your perfume and to make it more long lasting on your body is to first apply a fragrance free moisturizer on your skin and then go in with the perfume, because a perfume stays better on well hydrated skin rather than dry skin. If your skin is dry, then the fragrance evaporates faster, but if your skin is well hydrated, it retains the fragrance for a longer time. So first you want to apply a fragrance free moisturizer on all your pulse points. The best time to do this is after a shower. Then you can go in with the perfume and spray it on all the pulse points, and it's going to help to make the fragrance last longer. The fourth hack is for your hair. Did you know that you can also make your hair smell like perfume? Well, I've seen a lot of people do this, but most of them do it wrong. What people do is that they directly spray the perfume all over their hair, but that is the worst thing that you can do for your hair because perfumes contain alcohol. Perfumes have to have alcohol in order to retain the fragrance. So when you spray the perfume directly on your hair, it kind of transfers the alcohol onto your hair, and that results in damaging of your hair and drying out of your hair. So instead of spraying a perfume directly on the length of your hair, what you can do is spray it on your comb or hairbrush and then wait for about 2 minutes for all the alcohol to evaporate, and then you can run it through your hair. That way your hair is going to smell all good and all perfumey, and it's also not going to end up damaging your hair. The fifth hack is for your wardrobe and for your travel suitcases. If you want all of your clothes to smell perfumey and nice, then what you can do is just spray some perfume on a cotton ball and then store these cotton balls in your wardrobe, in your drawers, in your travel bags, wherever, and it's going to make all of your clothes smell nice and perfumey. Now I know you guys must be wondering कि आप अपने expensive perfumes को इन सब चीज़ों में waste क्यों करना चाहोगे. I completely get that, but this perfume, even though it smells so expensive and so fresh and so good, the smell is so classy, but yet it's a very affordable perfume. You can get it below rupees 500 after a discount from the link in the description box below. तो ये perfume इतना affordable है, yet it makes you feel so expensive, yet it gives you that signature scent that nobody else is gonna have because it kind of mixes with your natural body smell and creates this beautiful rich fragrance. तो ये perfume बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है and आप इसको कितने सारे हैक्स के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. फॉर कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स एंड फॉर ऑफिस गोइंग पीपल ये परफ्यूम बहुत अच्छा है, बिकॉज इट्स गोना गिव यू अ फ्रेग्रेंस दैट विल बी वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड. नोबडी विल एवर बी एबल टू कॉपी योर फ्रेग्रेंस बिकॉज इट स्मेल्स डिफरेंट ऑन डिफरेंट पीपल and it smells so rich and expensive. I cannot tell you how good this perfume is. So I highly recommend you guys check out this perfume and try all the hacks that I showed in today's video. You're gonna love this perfume with every single hack. This new Grasse pink perfume is designed with an advanced CP technology which makes it very long lasting and it lasts like throughout the day. And moreover आप देख सकते हो कि इसका packaging कितना ज़्यादा classy है. It's got such a beautiful red packaging. The packaging is super classy. So even if you want to like gift this to your loved ones, to your friends, family, whoever, you can do it because it looks super expensive, it smells super expensive, and yet it's so affordable. It's so easy on the pocket. So I highly recommend you guys check this perfume out. I absolutely love it. I just cannot stop smelling it. I just cannot stop using it. That is how much I love it. So I highly recommend you guys check out this perfume and try all the hacks with this perfume. आप इसको everteennude.com से purchase कर सकते हो, और it's also available on Amazon and Flipkart. All the purchase links are mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. So if you try out this perfume or any of the hacks that I showed in today's video, then do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and yeah, I shall see you in my next video.